We're surrounded by ocean, which means many Hawaiian cultural practices and traditions are deeply intertwined with the ocean and marine life. So the loss of a healthy marine ecosystem can have significant cultural implications. The loss is primarily due to coral reef degradation caused by climate change, which significantly impacts the state's economy by reducing tourism revenue, harming fisheries, and compromising coastal protection, leading to potential flooding and erosion, while also disturbing the delicate balance of a local marine life and impacting cultural connections to the ocean. The rising ocean temperatures and ocean acidification are the primary drivers of coral bleaching and reef degradation, making Hawaii particularly vulnerable due to its location in the Pacific. With the loss of coral, there have been consequences on marine biodiversity in Hawaiian reef ecosystems. The three most native coral genera, Porites, Montipora, and Pocillopora, which are also the most important species to the reefs, have been declining in population.
The Hawaiian archipelago has 13 state and federal MPAs. The state protected areas, which are called Marine Life Conservation Districts, are managed by the State of Hawaii Division of Aquatic Resources. MPAs have been identified as one of the most effective tools for securing marine biodiversity, but until now, the global impact of MPAs on local recreational fisheries has been unclear. This study provides globally relevant guidance for what management agencies, conservation practitioners, and importantly, recreational fishers can expect over the long term from the establishment of MPAs. There has been research that builds on the work by scientists who conducted a study in Florida 20 years ago and discovered that the cumulative number of trophy fish caught near an MPA rises rapidly between 12 to 30 years after MPA establishment. These graphs illustrate the cumulative records of trophy-sized fish catches over time in 5 different marine protected areas. After the MPAs were established, there was a noticeable increase in the number of record-sized fish caught near the MPAs. This is consistent with the MPA providing a spillover of record-sized fish into adjacent fishing areas.
Marine protected areas in Hawaii help the ocean by protecting important habitats and biodiversity, allowing marine life to thrive and reproduce without disturbance, which in turn can lead to increased fish populations both within the protected area and in surrounding areas, due to a spillover effect, ultimately contributing to a healthier overall ocean ecosystem in the region. This also benefits tourism, recreational activities dependent on healthy marine life. MPAs provide safe havens for vulnerable marine species, allowing them to grow to maturity and reproduce without being overfished. By restricting activities like fishing and anchoring, MPAs help maintain the integrity of important coral reefs, seagrass beds, and other underwater habitats. Healthy ecosystems within MPAs can better withstand environmental stressors like climate change.